A coil of self-inductance 50 Henry is joined to the terminals of a battery of EMF 2 volts through a resistance of 10 ohms. In a steady state, current is flowing through the circuit is. If the battery is now disconnected at time in which the current will decay to 1 by E of its steady value is. Now in this question the given diagram will be like this, that there is a coil which has some self-inductance. It is being connected with the resistance R and with a battery like this. Let's say battery has EMF E and the given values are E is equal to 2 volts, L is equal to 50 Henry and resistance value has 10 ohms. Perfect. Now in this question we know the formula. This is first of all because this is the case of charging. So in charging we know the formula I will be is equal to I naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau. Now they are saying in the question that steady state, at steady state, that means t will be tending to infinite, right? So if you put this value you get I naught into 1 minus e to the power minus infinity. Okay, so that would give you I is equal to I naught into 1 minus 1 upon e to the power infinity, which term is going to be 0. So this will be I naught. So I will be equivalent to I naught. That means coil will start behaving like a straight wire. So I can calculate the value of I naught, that is going to be E by R. So I is equal to I naught will be is equal to E divided by R, which will be E is given to be 2 by R is 10. So which will be 0.2 ampere, right? Now they are saying in the question what, that we disconnected the battery. So suppose now situation is like this, this inductance is being charged up and now battery is being disconnected. So now only this resistance is here. So and suppose that the current was initial current, the I naught. So when the battery is disconnected, so initially current I naught which was 0.2 ampere. So now circuit will actually, this will actually restore the energy because it has stored the energy in the form of EMFs. So now this will actually start flowing the current like this. So current will start decaying in the coil, right? So this is a simply case of discharging. And for this case we have the formula I is equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by tau, where this tau is equal to L by R, right? So here what is the value of L? So L we know which is 50 Henry and R is the previous one which is 10 ohm. So the value of tau will be is equal to, okay, that will be L is 50 divided by 10, so which will be equal to 5 seconds. Okay, and now I need to put the values in this formula. So let me remove these things. So I is equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by tau. So what they are saying, that current will decay to 1 by e of its steady value. So steady value is I naught. So I will be equal to I naught into 1 upon e. So which will be I naught by e. So final value of the current is I naught by e is equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by tau. So this I naught is cancelled out. If you take the reciprocal, or you can see e to the power minus 1 is equal to e to the power minus t by tau. So you can compare the powers. So 1 will be is equal to t by tau, which will give you t is equal to tau, and we already calculated the value of tau is, which is 5 seconds. So 5 seconds should be the right choice. So which option is the right answer? Option number 3 should be the right choice. Okay.